My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible. I spoke a little bit yesterday about doing the work and, putting in the necessary legwork to get your business going. But there's so much more to it than that. Even for, say, a new client, I do this whole big analysis. I want to know who your competitors are. Then I research the heck out of them. What are they doing? What's their social media? Are they on social media? If they are, what are they posting? How many followers do they have? Are they posting anything of value? Did they put any press releases? Were they featured in the media? You kind of have to do your homework to find out who they are, what they do, why this is valuable, and how you can then do this. I don't want to say do the same copycat because that's not what you want to do, but you want to kind of compete in that space. So there's actually, especially nowadays with digital marketing and whatnot, I actually get a report on my clients. I'll put up alerts and it'll tell me everything from the website, whether, if there's not enough SEO, and it does the comparisons for you. So I could say, okay, I'm going to compare you to 4 different people. Well, who has the most traction on social media? Why? What are they doing? Are they using paid ads? If so, where are they putting that? What keywords are they using? And then kind of like authority websites, what are they in front of? So that now I know what I'm working against, and now I can build a plan specific for you. And I love these little programs because it'll tell me, what on your website are, because if you have a website with my website has many pages, and whenever you say get featured in the media, you put the link. Well, not every one of these links are universal and 365 days a year nonstop. It'll post for a while, but then obviously the media changes and they'll put a different media on there. So the link, unless you're checking this every single day, and again, if you have 20 pages and all different things in there, links and whatnot, who has time to check this every single day? But these will do that. These AI, they'll go through and it'll tell you point blank, okay, if this link is invalid, you need to tweak your SEO a little bit more. Here's what your competitors are doing. Here's what you should be doing. And it really helps a lot. So again, you have to put in the homework, put in the work, put in the legwork. But thank God nowadays, with digital, it's really helped a lot, because years ago we had to do this one by one, manually, by hand, researching. Now you click a button, you put in certain criteria, and AI will do that for you. So not much excuse as to why you're not doing that, but these are what's important. Because anybody could come in and say, okay, yeah, I'm better than this guy and I'm just going to be great. But you need to really understand what all is going on. Who's your competitors? What are they doing? How are they marketing themselves? Are they using paid ads? Are they using paid media? What keywords are they using? What media have they gotten? What are they doing in social media? Are they getting any traction with that? So that you know what you're competing against. Because again, unless you've developed a cure for cancer, it's not that easy. Not impossible, but just not that easy, and it requires work. So put in the work, you'll reap the rewards. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBaronowski@Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBaronowski.com.